Hi and welcome back to Lazze Metal Shaping YouTube channel. I hope you have learned a lot over the years, and this is going to be a very short video. I'm planning to film more, but it came up an idea that I would like to make this video and thank everybody for watching my videos over the years, and I hope you learned a lot, and I hope we're going to have many videos that you can learn from in the future as well. So I felt that I would like to do something special for this weekend. I feel this is something very special for me to be here in the United States on the 250th anniversary. And I know that I'm not going to make it to 300, so that makes this weekend even a little more special. So what I did, I made a sign for this anniversary. And I'm going to hang this up in my shop, and it's going to be in my man cave for the rest of my life. I hope you enjoy the videos over the years, and it's going to be more. Remember to click the join button here, because we have 35, I think it's 36 more videos there now for members. And it's only $9.99 per month to have access to those videos, and we're adding 3-4 more videos every month. I wish you a wonderful weekend, and I will see you soon again. If you want more information about the hands-on classes, go to www.lazzemetalshaping.com. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your weekend with your family.